Alright guys, it's 6:46 a.m. right now. The flight departs at 8:30 out to Boston. I got everything packed last night. Toiletries, drone battery, GoPro, which is what I'm recording on. Just called Uber. 10 minutes away. He's dropping someone off and then he's gonna swing over here. So I just landed in Boston. I picked up my rental. We're gonna head north to Lawrence, 25 minutes north of Boston. That's where I booked my hotel for tonight. I'm gonna check in first because they close check-in at 12, so I may not be able to check in by the time I get back from hiking at night. Traffic here during a pandemic.
Alright guys, we're 2/3 ways there. As you can see, it's getting pretty dark. It's dark, it's steep. I was hoping to see the sun set, but it looks like we're gonna hike up there in the dark, sit up there, make some tea. I'll probably sit up there for a few hours and then hike down maybe midnight. But it's beautiful. Yeah, much more steep than Minnesota. The trees are kind of the same. We got the same pines, we got maples. Not a lot of birch out here, but much more steep. It's 75 degrees today. So in Minnesota, when I left this morning, it was like 35. So this is a lot warmer. Now this is gonna be a hard climb up for me, just because the shoes I'm wearing, they're my walking shoes. They're slippery. I left my hiking boots in the trunk. Shoot. Let's see. Hopefully we can make it up.
Alright, so we've been up here for 3 hours. Now I gotta figure out how to get back down. As you can see, it's pretty steep. I don't remember how I got up here. But we'll figure it out. Just gotta... Yeah, so I sat up here for roughly 3 hours. Just watching the moons up there. Gorgeous moon, clear moon. 40% today. Not full moon. I wish it was the full moon now. So we got the white dot again. That will be easy. We just follow that. And when we came in, the park ranger told me when I go up, I can take the white dot, but then on the way down, I should take the white cross, which is slightly longer, but it's not as steep. So that's the dot and the cross. That's actually where we want to go, down there. Every time I go, the way down is always harder, especially when after you hike for a day and you're all fatigued and your legs are all wobbly. What's up, fool? Dude, I'm trying to get back. I'm so freaking tired, man. Beam up, homie, beam up. I stayed up late last night, so then I tried to sleep on the plane. Kind of used to it. But this hike is so freaking long, I thought it was shorter.
Yeah, no, he was laughing.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Yeah, who's that?
Son,
Oh, hi chị Xuân.
you know Son?
Yeah, chị Xuân.
Hey, Connor, it's like Tommy Day.
Huh?
I think you ordered in, you ordered.
No?
I don't know. What are you, 31?
27. I'm 27. Man,
You 27?
yeah, I'm so freaking
Okay,
tired.
Yeah, you ordered it.
Hi anh em.
I think he's older than that. He's alive.
Yeah. I'm hungry, dude. I think my hotel doesn't even allow check-in after 10, so I don't even know where I'm gonna sleep tonight. Damn.
Aren't you scared being out there alone by yourself?
No? You get used to it. Got my flashlight. I got.
See anybody out there?
Not anymore. Earlier I saw some people, but this late at night, I did see two guys coming up like about an hour and a half ago. Okay, do I take the shortcut back or do I take the long path? I'm gonna take the shortcut. Shortcut's kind of steep though. Let's take the long path. Be safe.
Just don't fall, bro. You fall, if you fall in life, man.
But you think the other ones? You think like just the You think the regular ones are good too?
I mean, yeah, I guess it would be, but I guess not the same or something. Like, it gotta be something that makes the other place like more unique.
Yeah. Cause like if you think about like mid phở, đúng không? When you have a bunch of them together, of course the quality gets better, right? It's on Lawrence Street.
Lawrence Street in Lawrence, yeah.
Okay, cool, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you've got done, bro. I'm telling you.
Oh, it only takes dollar bills? I don't have dollar bills, đâu có tiền giấy đâu. Nó chỉ lấy tiền một đồng thôi, and I only have one. I have exactly one $1 bill. Oh my god, it wants $2. I don't have $2. Oh, I have another dollar. What the? Look at that. I think my car is the only one here. Yeah, there's no one here. So we're going to Fall River. I'm gonna pick up a friend today, and then she's texting. Then we're gonna go over to Martha's Vineyard and probably hang out there for a day, and then the last ferry back to Boston is, I believe, at 10 p.m. or 9:30. It arrives at 10. So we'll just hang out there for a day. Okay, so we're at the bus stop. We're waiting for the bus. It's supposed to come in 6 minutes. We're at the Palmer parking lot, and then it's gonna take us to Woods Hole, where we'll take the ferry to Martha. What was that? Do we need an ID or something? We're good? Thank you. I thought I was waiting because I thought he wanted my autograph. I was looking for my pen.